Small business owners know they need a website, but when they search online, they're hit with Squarespace, WordPress, Wix, Shopify. It can be really overwhelming to know which platform to choose. Two of the biggest platforms that I know and work with frequently are Squarespace and WordPress. And clients ask me all the time, which one should they choose? So let's have a look. First, you want to consider yourself and whether you need a website that is really easy to use. Squarespace is drag and drop friendly, and WordPress is much more flexible, but it requires much more setup and maintenance and a skilled team member helping you manage and update that site. Second, you want to look at customization and feature requirements. So Squarespace covers 80% of the needs of the majority of small businesses right out of the box. But if you need something special, WordPress can do almost anything with plugins. However, the plugins mean updates, conflicts, extra costs, as I was speaking to in the point one. Third, you want to consider your needs for support and maintenance. So Squarespace is built in. Hosting, security, updates, all of that stuff is taken care of for you using your Squarespace account. You don't have to do any of that technical work. With WordPress, you're responsible for doing the support and maintenance. So you'll need to maintain the site, ensure that it's secure, do the updates, and you'll need a developer to do that if you're not feeling that you would be confident enough to learn how to do it on your own. And you're also going to need a host. So all that to sum up, when you know the trade-offs between the different platforms, you can choose the right tool for your stage of business and where you're at in terms of comfort working with websites in the back end of your website. If you want simplicity and speed, Squarespace is going to win. If you need advanced customization and you don't mind managing or learning to use the tech, WordPress is incredibly powerful. Picking the right platform, of course, is going to save you stress and money and time. So if you're still unsure which one is the right fit for you, reach out to me and I'll help match you with the right platform for your business.